Hey guys, it's JT here, and today I'm going to take you through packing a backpack for a 4 to 5 day, somewhat light backpacking trip. So I'm going to unpack my bag here that I had for the last several days out in Olympic National Park and take you through the method for doing that. So, first of all, I have a Chilo Gear 3030 pack here. It's about 40-45 liter pack total. And the way I typically pack this is with the lid taken off and sitting on top. I like how that loads as one compact pack, carries well, keeps everything neat and inside. So in here I'll have my water filter. I didn't take a water bottle on this trip, I just took this because there's pretty consistent water access in the Olympics here this time of year, early July. Sunglasses, first aid kit, personal locator beacon, have a bandana, compass, maps, bunch of food wrappers. Don't need to take you through micro spikes. I was thinking I was gonna traverse some snow potentially, so I brought those, didn't end up using them. On the other side of the brain here, the pack lid will have glasses and contacts. Those are out now. Hand sanitizer, spoon. Then for the body of the pack here, what I want to do is keep the weight pretty close to my back and centered, and then I pack around that. So typically what I'll use is the food bag for that portion. And then to get that in the right location, I'll put my sleeping bag and my puffy down in the bottom, because that stuff is lighter and takes up that bottom space. What I want, like I said, is the majority of the weight close to my back and centered in here. So as we're getting down to that weight, on top I'll have my stove. So this is the stove and a 1 liter pot, fuel, cup, and a really light jacket because the forecast was good. This is my tarp tent here, Black Diamond Beta Light that pitches with trekking poles, doesn't have a floor, sleeping pad, and this is all to position my food bag here. So this is obviously pretty light now. Ideally you would finish without any food, but I cut my trip a little short. So this goes right next to my back and centered, and I position that with that other stuff there like I showed. And I'll also slide some backpacker meals down the sides of the pack to center that where I want it to go. My headlamp randomly tossed in there. And now you can see my sleeping bag and my puffy jacket in the very bottom of the pack to take up space down there and get that heavy stuff into the right location, and that's kind of what I focus on. And in this little pocket right here is where I'll keep the stuff that I want to have accessible when I'm hiking. So I'll put some food in there, sunscreen, and chapstick. And that's about it. That's all you need for really up to a week or so. I've gone with a real similar kit to this, more food obviously, and that blows the pack up some, which is kind of a nice reason to use a bare bag like this instead of a bare can. A lot easier to pack around. So hope that was useful, and now you can get out there and get on a trip of your own. Thanks.